Have you ever felt like your heart was shattered beyond repair, aching under the weight of heartbreak, and wondered if something as simple as a prayer could bring you relief? If you're like so many of us, heartbreak can feel like an unbearable burden, pressing down on your chest, making even the smallest tasks, getting out of bed, forcing a smile, or simply taking a deep breath, feel like climbing a mountain. It's as if your heart is crying out, pleading for a way to ease the pain, to find a glimmer of hope in the darkness. We often search for answers in countless places, pouring our hearts out to friends, flipping through self-help books, or trying to numb the hurt with distractions. But what if I told you there's a timeless, powerful tool that can help mend your broken heart, one that has brought comfort and healing to people across cultures, faiths, and generations? That tool is prayer. Yes, prayer, a practice that's far more than just words whispered into the void. It's about opening your heart, connecting with something greater than yourself, a source of infinite love, compassion, and peace that can cradle your deepest wounds. When we pray with sincerity, with an open and vulnerable heart, we invite healing, guidance, and a sense of calm that can soothe even the most jagged edges of our pain. Prayer isn't about perfection or rigid rituals, it's about intention, about reaching out for connection and allowing yourself to be held by something bigger. The beauty of prayer lies in its ability to quiet the storm in our minds, soften the ache in our hearts, and remind us that we are never truly alone. It's a bridge to a deeper sense of purpose, a way to find belonging even when the world feels cold and isolating. By weaving prayer into your healing journey, you can discover moments of solace, flickers of hope, and, over time, a profound sense of renewal. Whether you're new to prayer or returning to it after a long absence, this simple practice can become a lifeline, guiding you toward a heart that feels whole again. To make this prayer as meaningful as possible, I invite you to carve out a quiet space where you can be fully present, free from the noise of the world. This could be a cozy corner of your home, a serene spot in a garden, or a tranquil place in nature where you feel grounded. Settle into a comfortable position, whether sitting or resting gently, and take a few slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose, feeling your chest expand, and exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Allow your body to soften, your mind to still, and your heart to open. As you prepare to engage with this prayer, approach it with a spirit of openness and trust. Let go of any doubts or skepticism, even if they linger in the corners of your mind. Focus instead on the intention behind the prayer, the desire to heal, to find peace, to invite love back into your heart. This prayer is simple yet deeply powerful, not because of the words themselves but because of the emotion and vulnerability you bring to them. So, take a moment to center yourself, to breathe, and let's begin this sacred journey together. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes if it feels right, and take a long, slow breath in. As you exhale, imagine any stress or heaviness melting away from your body, leaving you light and at ease. When you're ready, begin by saying, "Dear, I come to you with a heavy and broken heart, seeking your gentle embrace and healing light." As you speak these words, picture the pain, the hurt, the weight of your heartbreak lifting from your chest, drifting away like clouds parting to reveal a clear sky. Feel the space in your heart opening, ready to receive warmth and love. Continue with, "Please wrap my heart in your tender care, mending its cracks with your boundless compassion. Fill me with your peace, a peace that calms my soul and surpasses all understanding." This next part of the prayer is vital, as it allows you to release the emotions and thoughts that may be chaining you to your pain. Say, "I surrender all sadness, grief, and sorrow to you, trusting that you will transform these burdens into hope, love, and joy." As you speak, visualize the darkness in your heart, the heavy, tangled feelings, dissolving into a soft, radiant light. See this light growing brighter, filling every corner of your being with warmth and possibility. Then, invite guidance for the path ahead by saying, "Lead me gently on this journey of healing. Show me the lessons hidden in my pain, and help me grow stronger, wiser, and more open to love." Imagine a path unfolding before you, lined with gentle light, guiding you toward a future where your heart feels whole and vibrant. The final part of the prayer is a powerful affirmation of your commitment to healing. Declare, "I choose to forgive myself for any mistakes I've made, and I release any resentment toward others. I open my heart fully to your healing love, welcoming it to flow through me." As you say these words, feel a wave of compassion washing over you, cleansing away old wounds and filling you with a renewed sense of hope. When you finish the prayer, pause for a moment. Notice how your body feels, how your heart feels. Is there a sense of lightness, even if it's faint? Allow yourself to sit in this moment, to receive the love and healing that's available to you. There's no rush. Let this peace settle into your soul. To deepen the impact of this prayer, consider weaving small practices into your daily life. One powerful way is to incorporate meditation, even just for a few minutes each day. Find a quiet moment, focus on your breath, and let your mind rest. This can help you stay connected to the calm and clarity prayer brings. Another beautiful practice is journaling. Before or after your prayer, write down your emotions, your hopes, or any insights that surface. Putting your thoughts on paper can help you process your pain, release what no longer serves you, and track the subtle ways your heart is healing over time. Repeating this prayer regularly can be transformative. Try setting aside a specific time each day, perhaps in the morning to start your day with intention or at night to release the day's weight. Over time, you may notice your heart feeling lighter, your perspective shifting, and a quiet strength growing within you. It's natural to encounter challenges along the way. Your mind might wander during prayer, or you might feel a flicker of doubt about whether this will work. If distractions arise, gently guide your focus back to the words and the intention behind them. If skepticism creeps in, remind yourself that prayer is deeply personal. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Trust in the process, in the sincerity of your heart, and in the possibility of healing. To create a supportive environment, minimize distractions as best you can. Turn off your phone, light a candle, or play soft music if it helps you feel grounded. If you need extra guidance, consider using a recorded meditation or prayer to keep you focused. The key is to create a space where you feel safe, seen, and free to be vulnerable. The steps of this prayer process are beautifully simple. Find a quiet space, prepare your heart and mind, recite the prayer with intention, and return to it consistently. Above all, be kind to yourself. Healing is not a race, it's a journey that unfolds at its own pace. Celebrate the small moments of peace, the tiny shifts in your heart, and trust that each prayer is planting a seed of hope. You are not alone on this path. Countless others have walked it before you, finding solace and strength through the power of prayer. Their stories are a reminder that healing is possible, that your heart can mend, and that love can bloom again. If you feel called to, I'd love to hear about your experience with this prayer. Share your reflections, your challenges, or the moments of light you found. It could inspire someone else and create a sense of community and connection. If this prayer resonates with you, consider subscribing for more content on emotional healing, spirituality, and the journey toward wholeness. My mission is to walk alongside you, offering tools and encouragement to help you find peace and rediscover your inner light. As you move forward, may this prayer be a gentle companion, bringing you the healing and comfort you seek. May your heart be filled with love, your spirit lifted by hope, and your path illuminated by the promise of brighter days. You are worthy of healing, and with each breath, you are stepping closer to a heart that feels whole again.